Hello and welcome to CMT Stuttgart. I'm going to show you this Adria campervan, Twin Max 60 SPB, costs €100,000 nearly for a campervan. MAN base, 470 kilos of payload. If it's on a 3.5 ton basis, you can of course put it up to 3,880 and that'll give a lot more payload. Now what stands out here? Well, I suppose a number of things. Got a widthwise bed at the back, you've got storage up there, comes with air conditioning, and you've also down here below lots of storage. We'll have a look at that from the outside. There's a step to get up into bed. Does the sensible sliding door slide open? It does, giving us access to the washroom. It's not a very big washroom, but I suppose in a vehicle this size you can't expect much else. I could have done without having these old 1830s drainage points though. I'd rather have seen modern domestic size in there. Right, let's come over here. So what we've got there, what's a storage thing here? Storage thing, oh sorry, and got a sort of bit of a wardrobe or something. Storage below. Here, two burners. That's not a burner, that's a sink. Two burners and a sink, and storage block under the unit. Down here, oh, that's I think that's the heating. Actually, I can't remember what that's for. It was odd for heating, because it looks like an exhaust more than that. Anyway, never mind, I'm sure I'll find out from some reader. Storage up here. And what's the point of that? Don't know. Possibly somebody will know. Anyway, it's broken anyway. Contoured table here. Very nice feature. You've got a place there to keep your beer cans in. So if you're sort of driving, you can maybe with your back to the road, you can continue drinking, and that should be okay. Table is expandable a bit. Chairs are contoured, space up there for the table. I do like the amount of light that comes in. You can't really appreciate it in here because we're indoors, but you've got a big skylight there, big skylight up here which is openable. I've got one in my vehicle. I think these are absolutely outstanding. MAN automatic. Let's have a look around the back. Passing as we go the fridge, which opens like that. And there, lots of space in here. And right, so outer shower unit there, and the rear I think actually is much more attractive than the front. Lashing straps down there. You could carry stuff which is long. If you don't want, in that case you can remove that net. Here we've got, this all comes up. What would do if you took the pillows and the cushions off. Let's have a look around this side. Now the bed is as wide as it is thanks to this, which is a flare, comes out, makes the bed much bigger. And I would say this, you've seen the flare. Okay, you do see it in here, but I think that the flares on both sides have been very well done. This flare on this side has to be smaller because the door is here. So bigger the door, you couldn't open the door, and it would be difficult to get in. So there you go. There's this Adria on MAN basis. If you don't like that one though, you've also got this one. Which is similar at the front, but it does have the benefit of this here, which will go up and down, and that gives you stacks of space below. A much more sensible solution, I think, but we'll show you that in a different video. So there you go, Adria Max campervan on an MAN at a price of €100,000. Thanks for watching.